More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hello everyone. I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in this video I'm going to be talking to the young men about civility and manners. History has shown that the use of violence for punishment to control people never ends well. This lesson should have caused humanity to change the approach on human interaction. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. Albert Einstein. The capitalistic society and the hierarchical powers are not interested in changing the current situation. The enriching profits that are gained from the chaos that the world community suffers warrants no action. We the people must provide the change that the world community needs. So let's start with our young men. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Characteristics of civility: respect, kindness, respect the rights of others, recognize the dignity of others, dignified behavior, beliefs of inherent good in all, giving the benefit of the doubt to all, respect the privacy of all, the right to be left alone. So those are a few characteristics of civility. As you go through life, you'll run into all of those sooner or later. Manners in the home and relationships: showing respect to others and elders, letting others finish speaking before you speak, to say thank you when receiving, to say please when asking, not using bad language, asking for permission before touching or taking some other person's things, having respect for other people's privacy or property, return the things you may have borrowed from another person, understanding personal space, a big thing that we get into every now and then. Politeness, good manners, and civility are essential to humanity. William Foreman. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say, so I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, I need to reach 100 subscribers. So tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. For the young men, the way in which you interact with other people should be evidence of your level of maturity. Having manners indicates intelligence and gentlemanly refinement. These traits don't show signs of being weak or soft. It's just a level of development towards manhood norms, relationship outcomes. Maturity doesn't have powerful impression on everyone that comes into the young man's life. There's no pressure or hardship in showing civility to each other. Kindness can have a boomerang effect in the life of the person that gives the blessing. Everyone deserves a good civility and manner can deliver that outcome. This society, if we instill civility and manners within the next few generations, there's a high probability violence and abuse we experience today can be eliminated in the future. Those problems can be eliminated in interpersonal relationship behaviors. Listen, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.